Hey, let's go.
You know, over the years, I've been really lucky to visit a lot of cool food trucks and eat a lot of good food. But until this year, I've never actually visited a food Jeep.
Restaurateur Maximilian Petty and his wife run a restaurant called Eden Hill, but they wanted something a little bit more accessible for families. That's when they started Eden Hill Provisions, including that cute little Milkshake Jeep.
Why a Jeep? I mean,
We always wanted a food truck, so she found this cute little Jeep. We, on a whim, just went, picked it up. It died on the way back. It's been getting love and care and paint ever since.
The key to those delicious milkshakes? Fresh Washington milk.
So I work with Darigold, using all of their dairy products and a lot of our stuff just because they're local. I grew up here, and their milk is delicious.
And when presented with my favorite flavor, strawberry, there's no way I'm turning that down.
that is delicious, man. Let's see what the people around Seattle think about this beauty. Do you like a good milkshake?
Obviously! It has to be thin enough to go through the straw, but not too thick that you can't sip through it.
Washington has such great local produce that people come from all over to get our produce. If you just get it in your own backyard.
Ooh, that's good.
Luscious, chocolatey.
Tastes like watching a Disney movie after dinner at home when I was a kid.
Little bursts of fruits.
Cold on a hot summer day. Oh yeah, I'd get this again.
It's a great little dessert.